Air Jordan 35 Bayou Boys. What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today guys, we have an unboxing and closer look at these sneakers. These are the Air Jordan 35 Bayou Boys. So compared with the regular box of the Jordan 35, the Bayou Boys colorway of the Jordan 35 is kind of different compared to the regular Jordan 35 box. And apart from it being black, you will see a lot of cutouts all around the box, as you can see. And then there is a green liner inside the box. So first of all, I like what they did on this box. Jordan brand really did a good job in conceptualizing this colorway, this specific colorway, which is the Bayou Boys colorway. So now let's pop this box open and see what's inside. Okay, so just like the regular Jordan 35 box, it opens like this, and then you will see this. There's a lot of yarns, which is a mix of brown, green, moss green, and everything. So later on, I will discuss and give you an idea on why it's called Bayou Boy and what is Bayou. Okay, so let's take this out first. So you will see this green tissue paper. It has the Jordan brand logo and of course Bayou Boys written all over. And then apart from that, it also has a white tissue paper over here. And this is the sneakers. So this particular colorway of the Jordan 35 was made specifically for Zion Williamson. As you all know, Zion Williamson is a player of the New Orleans Pelicans. And when you say New Orleans, you think of Louisiana State. And in Louisiana State, there's a lot of swamps. Now the name Bayou, on the other hand, comes from the Cajun French word, which means a body of water with slow-moving currents. So technically, the exact meaning of bayou is different from swamps, although it is a little bit similar. Now, the Bayou Boys colorway, or the Bayou Boys, was conceptualized by the Jordan brand, and the inspiration came from Zion Williamson because he told Jordan brand that when he was a rookie, he was going around New Orleans together with his fellow rookies, and he saw a lot of bayous. Hence the name Bayou Boys. Now, this is not the first colorway, or this is not the first Bayou Boys colorway that Jordan brand have made. The first one was a Jordan 34, which is predominantly gold in color. And this time they made a different color combination which resembles the Bayou. So as you can see, there's black, there's brown, there's white, there's green. So this particular colorway gives you a real resemblance to the Bayou. This is not the first Jordan 35 that I've reviewed. I actually did a review or a closer look of the Jordan 35 center of gravity. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll be posting a link on top. However, this time we're going to talk about this Bayou Boys colorway. Now, the tech specs of this sneakers is exactly the same as the center of gravity colorway. So we're going to be focusing more on the details of this particular sneakers. So on the upper, just like the other Jordan 35, it has a combination of materials that are on it. Of course, you will still see this net pattern on the forefoot. And then you also have the flight wire technology. But on this particular pair, it is actually black and green. Now, the most significant thing that you will see on these sneakers is the cracked leather on the upper. So as you can see, it's a black and white cracked leather, which actually looks like from afar a crocodile skin. Now, if it's the first time that you're checking out a review on the Jordan 35, let me just give you a brief background about the Jordan 30. Now, the Jordan 35 was actually inspired by the Jordan 5, and you will see a lot of resemblance from the Jordan 35 to the Jordan 5. The first thing that comes into mind when you look at it is the tongue. As you can see, the shape of the tongue of the Jordan 35 is almost the same as the shape of the tongue of the Jordan 5. The next thing that you can resemble from the Jordan 5 are the bulges over here. So as you can see, if you remember, the Jordan 5 also has big bulges on the ankle collar, and although it's not as big as the Jordan 35, although it's not as big as the Jordan 5, the Jordan 35 still paid homage to the Jordan 5. Now, the biggest improvement of the Jordan 35 from the Jordan 34 is the zoom bag unit that they have on the heel of the sneakers. You probably know that the Jordan 34 only have a hexagonal zoom unit on the heel for the Jordan 34. However, for the Jordan 35, they change it with a bigger sized air zoom unit. I'm not sure if you could see, but it's over here. It's exposed. So compared to the Jordan 34, the zoom bag on the heel was not exposed, only on the forefoot. But on the forefoot, the Jordan 34 and the Jordan 35 is exactly the same. Although on the Jordan 35, you don't have a window on the forefoot over here where you can see the zoom unit. So now let's check out the other details of these sneakers. Over here on the bottom of the tongue, you will see a number 23. And then on the laces, you have a flat black laces with green thread stitched into it. Lace holders or the lace loops are also inside, as you can see, and this time it's in green colorway. Now the tongue is made out of nubuck material, and you have this Jumpman logo in green. Now, another detail from the Jordan 35 is the ankle collar over here. So it has a similar shape of the Jordan 35. Now, at the back of the sneakers on the heel, you will see this tab over here, which has the Nike brand logo. However, on the other side, you will see boys. And then on the other sneakers, you have the Nike logo over here, and then you have Bayou on the other side. I also like what they did on the insole, as you can see. So it comes with the theme of the sneakers. Now, moving on to the midsole, you have the injected Phylon in white over here, and then of course the flight plate over here in the exaggerated flight plate improvement from the Jordan 34, as you can see over here, with the exposed air zoom units, as I mentioned earlier. Now, going to the outsole of the sneakers, you have this very aggressive herringbone pattern, as you can see, with the Jumpman logo in the middle, and of course air zoom tag on the forefoot area and on the heel. Now, what's nice about Jordan brand is that they made the rubber extra durable. So these sneakers have extra durable rubber, just like the Jordan 34. So now guys, what's your thought on these sneakers? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Which one do you like better? This one or the center of gravity? Apart from those colorways, they also released the DNA colorway, which I'll be showing to you guys soon. The fit of these sneakers is true to size, so I'm normally at size 10.5 for basketball sneakers, and 10.5 suits really well for me for Jordan 35, and it's really comfortable. You can really feel the big bulge over here to support your ankles and Achilles. So there's like a bed or a pillow on your Achilles that provides you more support, especially nowadays that a lot of players are having Achilles tear. So now guys, what's your thought about these sneakers? First of all, what's your thought about the Jordan 35? Do you like it better than the Jordan 34s? Let me know on the comment section down below. Now, which colorways of the Jordan 35 you like the most? So currently here in the Philippines, where I am, they've already released the center of gravity colorway, the DNA colorway, and of course this one. We have yet to receive the warrior colorway, which is the black and red colorway. And there's another colorway that they've already released, but I think it was only released in China. And apart from that, of course, the Fragments colorway. For me, the Fragments colorway is not that nice. It looks like a Shacknosis in my opinion. This definitely looks really better than that. I do like the DNA colorway as well, but for me this is such a unique design, a unique colorway, so I'm happy to have a pair of these sneakers. So guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Till next time.